Researchers have announced they have spotted a huge asteroid that could possibly strike the Earth. The asteroid has been nicknamed Planet Killer because it could wipe out all life on the planet if it collides with it. The asteroid 2022 AP7 was found among a trio of space rocks by Shepard and his colleagues at the Carnegie Institution for Science in Washington. These experts say that this asteroid orbits the Sun every 5 years and gets close to Earth in the process, which is why it is considered potentially hazardous. This potentially hazardous asteroid has a diameter of about 1.1 kilometers to 2.3 kilometers and is allegedly in the top 5% of the largest space rocks ever found. For context, an asteroid with a diameter more than 1 kilometer is enough to trigger a mass extinction event on Earth. As well as having a diameter more than 1 kilometer, an asteroid also needs to have an orbit that crosses Earth's to be considered potentially dangerous. In the case of asteroid 2022 AP7, any threat is centuries down the track. Detecting asteroids in the inner solar system is not so easy because of the bright background from the sun's glare. There are only 2 10-minute windows each night to conduct observations. They used a dark energy camera at the Cerro Tololo Inter-American Observatory in Chile. With the high-tech camera, a program of the U.S. National Science Foundation's NOIR lab, they were able to capture large swathes of the sky with immense sensitivity. The camera was originally built to carry out a dark energy survey, conducted by the U.S. Department of Energy and the NSF between 2013 and 2019. In case 2022 AP7 collides with Earth, the effects would be devastating. It would cause large amounts of dust and pollutants to rise to the atmosphere, which would take years to settle. Such huge asteroids are called planet killers due to the potential threat they pose, which might trigger a mass extinction event upon collision with Earth. However, according to Shepard, the asteroid has absolutely no chance of colliding with the Earth and will merely pass through the Earth's orbit at a distance of millions of kilometers. There are likely millions of objects of this size in our solar system, and it's not uncommon for them to impact Earth. In these cases, most of the object burns up in the atmosphere and creates a spectacular light show, with little risk to life. In 2019, another asteroid with a 100 meters diameter passed Earth some 70,000 kilometers away. It was publicly announced few hours before it flew past. While it wasn't as close, it was of a much more concerning size. These near misses reiterate how important it is for us to speed up the search for near-Earth objects. We simply don't know enough about 2022 AP7 to precisely predict the danger it may pose centuries from now. At the same time, we can say that there could be other planet killers out there yet to be discovered. While the asteroid 2022 AP7 has no chance of actually coming close to Earth, it could pose a threat to our planet centuries in the future as it swings back in its orbit. It is estimated that we've already discovered around 95% of potentially hazardous asteroids, PHA. The work of Shepard and colleagues highlights that hunting down the remaining 5%, some 50 asteroids, will be a massive effort. It's very likely the NEO surveyor by NASA will reveal new objects, and help us find a large number of asteroids to greatly improve our understanding of threats. The key is to find as many objects as possible, categorize them, calculate the risks, and plan a redirection mission as much in advance as possible.